So we are discussing atomic mass, right? So atomic mass we can express in two ways. One is mass of one atom. Okay, sometimes it is also called as a relative atomic mass. And दूसरा है gram atomic mass. When I am talking about relative atomic mass, then it is always compared with some unit. So according to the IUPAC, nowadays they are compared it to the 1/12th mass of one atom of C2. So atomic mass is nothing but mass of an atom compared with 1/12th mass of one atom of C12, carbon 12 isotope. Okay. So what do you mean by that 1/12th mass of one atom of C12? That is a one factor. Okay, and that factor is called as 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit. Okay, it is expressed in terms of U. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram, which means if I consider a weighing balance, in a one pan we are putting oxygen gas or oxygen atom, and in another pan I am putting this factor. So how many factor, or after addition of how many factor, the balance, the weighing balance get balanced. So for oxygen, such 16 units I need to add, which means atomic mass of oxygen is 16 AMU, or 16 into 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. This is mass of one atom, remember that. Okay. Similarly, mass of sulfur, 32 AMU. So 32 into 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Mass of helium, 4 AMU. 4 into 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. This way we can calculate atomic mass of every element, every isotope present in the periodic table. Okay, this way. So they consider now IUPAC is considering C12, carbon 12 isotope. Now there will be one question: how many atoms are present in 28 U, 28 AMU of nitrogen? Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 AMU. So number of nitrogen is equal to total mass divided by mass of one atom of nitrogen. That is 28 divided by 14. That is equal to 2. This is very simple question. Okay. Now let us go for the next part. That is the other part. Gram atomic mass. Now gram atomic mass is nothing but mass of 1 mole of an element. Now what do you mean by 1 mole? 1 mole, ये हम लोग आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे और डिटेल में 1 mole की. So it is written as mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Okay, are you getting my point? Mass of gram atomic mass means mass of 1 mole of an element, and 1 mole में कितने atoms होते हैं? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This is nothing but your Avogadro's number. So क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Avogadro's number बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So थोड़ा हम लोग और यहाँ पे डिटेल में लिखते हैं. Gram atomic mass is nothing but what? Mass of 1 mole, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. We call it as what? Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number of atoms of an element. Okay, let us try example. Suppose I have to say gram atomic mass. Acha, this is also called as gram atom. Huh? So gram atom is nothing but gram atomic mass.
I don't know.
Okay, that is 1 mole. So gram atomic mass
About 6.022 into 23 atom.
of mass of O कितना होगा 16. ओके 16 इसका यूनिट ऐसे लिखते ग्राम पर मोल. दिस इज द यूनिट. ओके 16 ग्राम पर मोल ऐसा लिखते. सो आई एम कमिंग टू इसको मैं बाद में हम लोग इसको डिराइव कर रहे हैं. सो ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन स्टैंड फॉर व्हाट मास ऑफ 1 mole of O. ठीक है. अच्छा, if anybody is not understanding, please ask. You can raise your hand. You can put question in a chat box. Okay, or I think you can unmute yourself and you can talk. No problem. But मतलब चुपचाप मत बैठना. क्या है कि जब हम लोग लेक्चर लेते हैं ना, तो लेक्चर में कैसे होता है मालूम है? I can see your face. So many times we can gauge whether you understood or not. So कुछ लोग they are very shy in a classroom, but in one-to-one they start speaking up. So remember that you are sitting at home, so it's a comfort zone. So speak from your people used to or people have a habit of speaking from their comfort zone. So speak whatever you have a doubt, speak. Okay. हाँ डोंट मतलब अभी यहाँ पे कौन हंसने वाला नहीं है, सब लोग म्यूट है, भूल जाओ. क्या यार सिली डाउट पूछा, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. ओके सो व्हाटएवर, क्योंकि ये पार्ट ना टिपिकल है एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू थ्रू आउट योर केमिस्ट्री. Therefore try to understand this carefully very well. हाँ तो अभी मैंने क्या लिखा, ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट मास ऑफ 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of O. ओके तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, देखो मास ऑफ 1 एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कितना लिखा है मैंने, व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कितना लिखा है हम लोगों ने, कितना लिखा है तो यहाँ पे कितना है, यहाँ पे लिखा था 16 into 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 24 है कि नहीं. So so here I can write mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. 2322 in new books they have mentioned 2322 23. It's a recurring number, so no problem. कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा उससे, ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे. And we are not going for the accurate calculations, remember that, of O. Okay. So what is the mass of 1 atom of oxygen? अभी देखा हम लोगों ने 16 into 1.66 7 into 10 raised to minus 24 multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. इसको अगर तुम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया तो ये होगा 16 into 1.667 into 6.022 into 10 raised to minus 1, which means 1.6 into 1.667 into 6.022. If you solve this, your answer is approximately coming at 16 grams per mole. So gram atomic mass of oxygen भी कितना आया 16 grams per mole. Remember this. Okay. तो याद रखना ये दो अलग अलग चीजें है. ग्राम एटॉमिक मास इज डिफरेंट एंड एटॉमिक मास इज डिफरेंट. क्लियर? यस. सो मेनी टाइम्स जब हम लोग एग्जाम में वो लोग एटॉमिक मास देते हैं, they always express in this unit, gram per mole. Okay, which means what? Mass of 1 mole of element is that much, 16. तो similarly मैं लिख सकता हूं gram atomic mass of sulfur is equal to what? Mass of 1 mole of sulfur, that is equal to mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of sulfur. ठीक है? Which means बोलो 32 into 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 24. ये है mass of one sulfur atom multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. अगर इसको मैंने सॉल्व किया तो वो आता है 32 grams per mole. So please check, दोनों नंबर सेम है बट दोनों का यूनिट अलग अलग है. मास ऑफ वन एटम उसका यूनिट है AMU और मास ऑफ 1 मोल मतलब ग्राम एटॉमिक मास का यूनिट क्या है? What is that? Gram atomic mass का यूनिट ग्राम पर मोल है. Understood? Yes. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? हाँ? अभी ये लिखना है ग्राम एटॉमिक मास, लिख लो. राइट डाउन. Amruta, are you getting? Amruta?
Yes, sir.
Arya?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shruti? Shruti, I think
Yes.
your network problem is there with you.
Yeah.
To discuss one more term called the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. Now, average atomic mass is actually a term obtained because of the different abundance or the it is because of the presence of isotopes. Okay, so suppose if I say there is an element whose एक का atomic mass m1 है, so this is isotope 1. Isotope 1, isotopes का मतलब क्या होता है? First of all I want to explain that part first. So यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ isotope. Isotope stand for atoms of same element, atoms of same elements, okay, with same atomic number, same atomic number, but different mass number. Okay, are called as what? Isotope. So average atomic mass is actually given for the elements which have a different abundance of isotopes. Okay, so we can say average atomic mass का मतलब, I'll write AAM is average atomic mass of atoms of different isotopes of an element. Okay, so it is written like this way: average atomic mass AAM, average atomic mass is equal to X into M1 plus Y into M2 plus dot 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 divided by X plus Y plus and so on. So carbon has also isotopes. So average atomic mass is that only. It is for any element. Okay. So if I say for chlorine, let us take example of chlorine. So average atomic mass for all those elements which have isotopes. So almost for every element, right? Because every element has isotopes. So let us consider this example, chlorine. So if I say chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, has relative abundance. In nature, 75 is to 25. Okay, or 3 is to 1. Or 3 is to 1. Then what is the average atomic mass of chlorine? So average atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 75 multiplied by 35 plus 25 multiplied by 37
Sir,
divided by 100.
sir,
बोलना.
sir, what is 75 to 25?
It is the ratio of 75%. Chlorine 35 is present and 25% chlorine 37 is present. Okay, in nature 75% chlorine is present. Okay, I'll change this sum. Question. Calculate average atomic mass of chlorine if the percentage abundance of chlorine 35 is 75% and chlorine 37 and that of chlorine 37 is 25%. Okay, so average atomic mass is equal to 75 multiplied by 35. Okay, plus 25 multiplied by 37 divided by total. What is that? 75 plus 25. So if you calculate that, it is coming around 35.5. Right? So if you are talking about atom, then it is 35.5 joule atomic mass unit. If you are talking about 1 mole, 35.5 grams per mole. इसलिए atomic mass of chlorine हम लोग 35 और 37 नहीं लेते. we take 35.5 for the average atomic mass. Understood? Yes. Any doubt over here? Average atomic mass. So let us calculate one example. Let us calculate one more example. Solve one more example. Calculate average atomic mass So calculate average atomic mass of nitrogen from following data. Following data. Okay. Mass number of one nitrogen is 40, or instead of that, exact atomic mass weight of one isotope 1. This is isotope 1. This is isotope 1 whose exact atomic mass is 14.003 and percentage abundance is 99.63, and second isotope whose exact atomic mass is 15.0001 and its percentage abundance is 0.37. Tell me the answer. Give me the answer. Huh?
20.93.
Sorry, नहीं नहीं
20.93.
20 नहीं आएगा, 20 कैसे आएगा? एवरेज है ना, एवरेज, तो ये दोनों के बीच में ही आना चाहिए आंसर।
Sir,
Yes,
14.00668927.
close to that, correct.
So
Yes,
14.9281.
14.9 is too far. No, check it once again. See, 14.9 means approximately 15. That is close to 15. But if you see the percentage of 15 isotope is just 0.37. So just think about it. Your answer should not be away from this 14.00. It should be close to 14.003 and away from 15.
So 13.9281.
ना 13 नहीं आएगा.
14.0038.
हाँ 003 नहीं आएगा. Check it once again.
Sir,
हाँ
14.006.
हाँ correct. Uh, 14.006 or 14.007 is the correct option, correct answer. So check, many of you, some mistake you must have done. Cross check it.
So
हाँ बोल.
14.006.
हाँ, correct. Yes, everybody is getting.
Yes, sir. I also got it.
Okay. Chalo. So those who are not getting, please, if you have any doubt, ask. इसको ऐसे करना है. Average atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 99.63, that is the relative abundance, multiplied by 14.003 plus 0.37 multiplied by 15.001 divided by, if you add that, it is coming around 100. Solve this, you will get the answer. So 20 वगैरह आएगा ही नहीं, because see the average है ना, so the average should lie between 14 and 15. Okay. Second thing, see the percentage of isotope 15, which is very less. इसके comparison में बहुत कम है. So your answer must be close to 14.003. Okay. ठीक है. चलो अभी next वाला problem देखो. मैं इसमें hint दे देता हूँ. You solve at home. I will send you homework also. Some problems. 3-4 problems मैं दूंगा लो करने के लिए. See. In a sample of 400 lithium atoms, it is found that 30 atoms are lithium 6. उसका atomic दिया है 6.015 gram per mole, and 370 atoms are lithium 7. जिसका atomic mass दिया है 7.016 gram per mole. Calculate average atomic mass of lithium. So either you take directly multiply this. मतलब कैसे करेंगे? एवरेज एटॉमिक मास, एवरेज एटॉमिक मास इज इक्वल टू 30 एटम्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6.015 प्लस 370 एटम्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7.016 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स 400. ये एक तरीका है. दूसरा तरीका है परसेंटेज निकालो. कैसे? 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 400 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. परसेंटेज आ गया. माइनस करो 100 से, तुम लोगों को इसका परसेंटेज आएगा. सो उससे भी आंसर आएगा, बट वो डबल कैलकुलेशन होगा. बेस्ट वे दिस वे, ये करो 30 into 6.015. सो दिस एटॉमिक मास आई एम कंसीडरिंग. इसका जो यूनिट आएगा, दैट यूनिट विल बी ग्राम पर मोल. व्हाई? बिकॉज इनके यूनिट्स ग्राम पर मोल है. क्लियर? ये कैलकुलेशन बाद में घर पे कर लेना. हाँ, I will send you few more problem based on this. Is that okay? Anybody having any doubt over here? Atomic mass सबको समझ में आया?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, हाँ, सब लोग जाग रहे? Anybody sleeping? No, na? Good morning, all of you. Once again. Okay, so let us go for the next part, that is molecular mass. तुम लोग उसको molecular weight भी बोलते हैं, molecular mass, okay, or it is also called as molar mass. Molar mass in general term हो गया. So इसको मैंने molecular mass और molecular weight. This is nothing but, molecular mass is nothing but mass of one molecule that is equal to summation of atomic masses of atoms present in a molecule. Understood? और दूसरा है ग्राम मोलार मास. molecular mass or gram molar mass, or just say molar mass. Molar mass, or it is also called the gram mole. So this is also equal to mass of one molecule, compared with 1/12 mass of one atom of C12. Okay. So अगर मैं बोलूं molar mass of H2O और molecular mass of H2O, तो इसका मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of oxygen. Now, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? One atomic mass unit plus 16 atomic mass unit. So that is nothing but what? 18 atomic mass unit. Clear? चलो जरा मैं कुछ एग्जांपल्स दे रहा हूँ, कुछ मॉलिक्यूल्स दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे मॉलिक्यूलर मास निकाल के दो. यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ एटॉमिक मास in your atomic mass unit. For hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16, carbon is 12, nitrogen is 14, बस इतना काफी है. हाँ, कुछ एग्जांपल्स दे रहा हूं मैं. CO2, then C6H12O6, ग्लूकोज बोलते हैं इसको. Then ammonia, NH3, then methane, okay, then C12H22O11, इसको बोलते हैं सुक्रोज. ये है ग्लूकोज, this is sucrose. Then NH2CONH2, इसको बोलते हैं यूरिया. Then कॉपर भी देता हूं यहाँ पे. कॉपर है 65.3, so copper sulfate 5H2O. उसके बाद सोडियम यहाँ पे मैं दे रहा हूँ 23 एटॉमिक मास, सो NaCl का, देन NaOH का. चलो करो सॉल्व दिस.
सर
बोलो ना. बोल राइटिंग.
सल्फर.
बाद में सल्फर, हाँ सल्फर भी चाहिए. हाँ सल्फर का है 32. ठीक है. So put your answers in a chat box.
So are my
So-
answers right?
I'm sorry.
Vedant.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Done na? Hello.
Hello, sir. Sir, you
So-
didn't check my answers.
What's your name?
Vedant Patil.
I checked. I told you na.
Okay, you told me, sir.
Yes. No, there is no wrong answer. Whenever there is a wrong answer, I pointed out. Those who have a correct, I have not pointed out there. Okay, so everybody got the answers, right? So this way you have to calculate molecular mass of the compound. Understood? Now, a small part which is remaining, I want to finish that part and then we'll stop. That is gram molar mass. gram molar mass or molecular mass. It is nothing but mass of 1 mole of substance. 1 mole of substance. That is nothing but mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of that substance. Okay, so if I say gram molar mass or just say molar mass of H2O is equal to what? Is equal to mass of 1 mole of H2O. That is nothing but mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of H2O. You can calculate this. See, mass of 1 molecule of H2O is how much? 16U. That is 16 into 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 24. Multiplied by 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. If you solve this, you will have a 16 gram per mole. I'm sorry, 16 नहीं, 18 होना चाहिए. कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा है. 18 gram per mole. Yeah. Okay. So, see, remember that if they say 18 gram per mole stand for what? It is a molar mass, molecular weight, molar mass of 1 mole of H2. And if they say 18 unit or 18 atomic mass unit, it is a mass of 1 molecule of H2. Are you getting my point? समझ में आई ये concept?
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
followed? So next lecture में हम लोग और आगे जाएंगे. So we'll discuss that कि average जैसे average atomic mass था वैसे average molecular mass भी होता है. So when I'm talking about air, so air का average molecular mass भी होता है. So that also we have to discuss. And next lecture में I want to introduce the new concept, that is mole concept, which is a very very important concept for chemistry point of view. Because chemistry में ना हम लोग जो amount measure करते हैं, that amount we are measuring in terms of moles. Okay, so that all we are going to discuss in our next lecture. यहाँ पे हम लोग आज रुकते हैं. जिसको doubt है, they will stop over here. मतलब वो लोग रुको, don't leave. Those who do not have a doubt, they can leave. They can leave the meeting. ठीक है? चलेगा?